আজি samla sabse pula khoboti Nagaland Congress khantu Government of India khan ki Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO khan laga demand frontier Nagaland territory address kuri dibole lakhe kogina urge kuri dia ase khobote Nagaland Congress khantu position of frontier Nagaland territory FNT issue opoti re-FM kurgena statement kuri dia ase aro former Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee NPCC President K. Theribra ENPO Khan Lok Sabha election boycott kuri thakya karni criticize kuri thakya tu nijor laga phapna hisabte koi dishe kogena Theri laga statement opoti Congress Khan clarify kuri dia ase kili party Khan tu inika statement na kurgena thakya mite koi dia ase itu karni Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee Khan tu ENPO Khan laga demand opoti solidarity experts kuri dia ase kili ENPO Khan laga demand to legitimate manifestation of long-standing grievances and trust defect thakya koi dia ase aro Nagaland government and central government khan bra political indifferences decade opor disunity kurgena aha opoti Congress khan criticize kuri dia ase aro Nagaland Congress khan tu government of India khan ki ENPO laga demand acknowledge kuri digena action kuri dibole urge kuri dia ase aro kunba political faction khan bra ENPO laga approach opor koi thakya Nagaland Congress khan tu organization limit avenues recognize kuri digena democratic norms hisabti demand karni voice out kuri thakya Nagaland Congress khan koi dia ase AGP North State of Mizoram ti hailstorm iman biabra effect kurina thakya karni 200 opor gor laga sashit khan pura puri phangai di shekoina official khobor paloya ase sources te hatsa tuili phujor 1 baji inikatam te thaksha aro Hamarveng bosti effect kugina youtuber laga hailstorm tuili dangor size thaksha ko ase aro gari laga glass sisa khan pi phangai digina 130 house hawa karni ju laina chulai dia report dia ase aro ajikali hawa season ti achanak hatsa alag alag state district te face kugina ja ase itu karni hotai IMD laga hawa pani update logina safety thagibole itupi viewers khan ge jonai dia ase aro cyclone storm Jalpaiguri West Bengal Sunday 3:30 pm inikatam te ulagina 10 minute aha issue karni gor property phangai dia eklan hogina manu laga jan 5 jon harai disha aro 500 opor manu khan jokhum kurdigena hospital porta boyina thakya report dia ase West Bengal State de iman biarba cyclone storm ahigena manu laga jan harai dia opoti Prime Minister Modi condolence message logena brave family khan ki address kurdisha aro Chief Minister Banerjee tu victim khan ke look kurgena paratak assist kurdibole assurance kridisha Lok Sabha election held kurlobole haptahi hoigena ja thakya humoiti Assam political leaders khan macheti political challenges aro political development ja thakya tu Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to AIUDF Chief Baraudin Ajmal opor address kudigina judi sadi kurlobole thakshe kuili itubar Lok Sabha election held nakura aketi sadi kurlobole koi dia ase kili Lok Sabha election held kurlo apcheti uniform civil code UCC implement kurlobo aro polygamy illegal hoijagena choli jabole thakyan mite koi dia ase Sources te Mr. Ajmal Tuli itubar Lok Sabha ti Durbi constituency bra ahibole ase aro tai iman bra hulepi alak makilo bole takot thakya ase aro Chief Minister Sharma bra tai ke biya pailepi itututa laga khushi hobo kogena statement kridishe ko ase itu karni Chief Minister Sharma tu Saturday relati Ajmal laga statement opor judi tai alak maki lobole mon thakshe koli Lok Sabha pul ageti logena Ajmal tu tai khan kepi invite kurubole koi dia ase kili Sharma lead government to uniform civil code UCC based on religion dealing with marriage divorce inheritance and adoption aro alag alag karni adopt kurubole ready ho jasha aro Lok Sabha election held kurlo asat Uttarakhand state nishna implement kurubole thakya nimite Chief Minister address kuri dia ase Delhi Chief Minister Arvind money laundering cases karni ajikali ED khan laga saza paigena ja ase aro court khan tu April 15 tak jail phitote thagibole aji jonai dishe Enforcement Directorate khan la latest report ti Delhi Court khan tu Ajibra Chief Minister Arvind Opur April 15 tak saza kuri dibole jonai disha aro Arvind laga case tu sob manobra jani thakya nishna liquor policy scam karni 7-8 times saman kurgena aha arrest kurlo apcheti detailed investigation kuri ase hulepi Aam Admi Party khan bra tu Chief Minister Shipura resign nakurbo aro jail phitorte hulepi government cholabo kogena clear kuri thakya paloi ase